Hello guys, welcome to Giman's photography, and today I'm here to show how I edited these amazing images. So guys, let's stick to it. Let's go into it. Yes, you open your Photoshop. Here is the amazing picture I'm talking about. So guys, I've already edited this image in Lightroom. So it's our time for us to retouch this image. So guys, let's stick together. So duplicate this image, then you look into the image. If the image has certain blemishes, you have to clear it. So guys, these are the techniques or process I go through when retouching my images. So I'll pick my spot healing brush, then duplicate my image. So I'll get into the image. So here, when taking off the blemishes, you have to increase the brush or the spot healing brush so that you can take out the blemishes well, not making the brush too big to sample different places of the image. So guys, watch me as I edited it. So I'll make this video a fast forward one. After removing the blemishes, I have actions that I use for my frequency separation. But if you have this software, that's Retouching Academy, you can also use it to do your frequency separation. So guys, I'll click on it, then select the values which I'll use for the frequency separation. So when it is done, guys, you can see this is the place I will be cleaning up. So I will take my brush, my master brush, then decrease the brushes. So here, when doing your frequency separation, you have to increase the brush and decrease the brush so that you can brush off the face to look smooth or how you want the face to look. So guys, let's go into it. So as I do, I'll wrap it up so that you see the final results. This is the before and after. You can see the image is looking smooth and I maintain my texture. So guys, you can see the before and after. Isn't this amazing? So let's get into it. After you are done with the frequency separation, you duplicate the image. About to do dodge and bend. Dodge and bend. I have action for dodge and bend. I'll be leaving it into my description if you want it, or you can comment I need it on the comment section so that I will give you a link to download my dodge and bend action. So let's make our dodge and bend. So guys, Okay, so guys, this is our dodge and bend. So you pick up our brush, then reduce the size, open up the image, and do our dodge and bend. Guys, you see the black, I converted this image into black and white to see where the highlights are and also where the darks are. So you see, so before you do your dodge and bend, for me, the technique I use, I reduce my flow to 30 or 20. Yes, so that it wouldn't be too much for me. Yes, so the cursor is on dodge. So dodge means highlight. So we are here to increase the highlights in the image. Then you can see, I'll show you the before and after. Before and after. Show you the before and after. So we are bringing up the highlights. Yes, so that the image looks amazing. So you can see, not too much, just a few where you can see highlights. Yes, so let's go to the pen. That's the dark side. So not every place has dark. Yes, not every place has the dark. Oh, you can see, yes, when it comes to the neck, there's a little dark here. There's a little dark here. So you open up the split. Yes, you can see. So guys, you can see how to do our dodge and bend. You can see. Yes, open the brush a little bit. Yes, yeah. We'll show you the before and after. So guys, you can check it out. So we are done with our dodge and bend. So this is our before and after. So if it's too much for you, you can reduce it at the opacity. At the layers panel, you can reduce it at the layers panel. The opacity, you can decrease it to 15 or 16. It's okay. So let me increase it a bit. I think 30 is okay. Guys, you can see this is the before and after. So after you are done with the dodge and bend, you duplicate the image again, and here is our final edit. With the final edit, you open, then go into camera raw to open up our color tones and do a little bit of color grading. Yeah, so guys, check it out. So this is how I color grade or add a little bit of color grading to my image when I'm done. When I'm done editing. To make the image pops. To make the image pop a little bit. So this is it. We come to our details. We sharpen it, makes the image look wow. See, you can see. So this is a bit 30. I think 30 is okay. You can see sharpness. Then you come back. Since I've edited in Lightroom, so I don't need more color grading in Capture One. Instead, I'm opening up the tones and the colors in the cloth. Yeah, so this one. So guys, you can check. Yes, you are done. So after I'm done with the color grading, this is it. This is it. So after you are done, after I'm done, I will come back to camera raw and do my teeth whitening. I'll be showing you how I'll make a video on how I make my teeth whitening and eye whitening in Capture One. So I'll select my brush, then I'll adjust my settings, shift this to 25, 24, then I'll come back to, yes, the white. I'll increase the white, then decrease the blacks, then also open up the shadows, then open the image wide so that I can get the full image of the face, so that I can start whitening my teeth and eye. So guys, after the brush is already selected, you increase and decrease the brush so that you can brush off where you want. Yes. So I'll come back to my teeth whitening, open the brush, then decrease and increase. You can see the teeth is changing from how it first looked to white as we set it, or how as we want it. So this is it. So guys, other than you click on OK to show on your preview. So this is the before and after, before and after. Isn't this amazing? So guys, this is our final result of the image. So it's time for us to save. So guys, let me group all the image, let me group all the image and show you the before and after group. So guys, this is the before and after. Isn't this amazing? This is the before and after. So guys, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and also leave a comment below to see your opinion or views on this beautiful video. Thank you for staying with me as we retouch this amazing picture. Bye bye.